The Healthcare IT Assembly is the best type of meeting of this kind that we've been to, and this is our sixth one that we've been to in the history of the company.
This is our first time at the Healthcare IT Assembly. It has been a very useful conference, and we've been able to have some great meetings with high-level executives at institutions that are of interest to us.
The attendees have been spot on with what we see in terms of buying patterns and who we deal with, day to day with the deals that we do. CIOs, CMIOs are really the key audience that we try to reach. So highly efficient to bring all of them together over a 2-day period.
The thing I really enjoyed about this was, for myself as the executive of the organization, to be able to connect with other executives was the right level without distractions in between. And even more than that, that we literally were able to kind of pick each other and find each other, that the topics we wanted to focus on were very common in nature. So we were two groups of executives very focused on accomplishing the same goal.
I think the one-on-one meetings were the most valuable experience, getting about 40 minutes with key decision makers that were interested in our product and eager to connect us to people in their organization that we would use as a contact for projects in the future.
Having that one-on-one conversation that you can kind of go somewhat in depth and really talk through things in a much more intimate setting has been extremely useful from a standpoint of our message, having that interaction that we think will lead to further opportunity for our company.
The people who managed this meeting really actually understood what we were looking to accomplish, but also what the delegates were looking to learn, and they were able to connect us in a way that made really a lot of sense.
I think that the big differentiator of this conference versus others is that focused time with executives. The ability to acknowledge that we have very specific time frames to meet together, that we're not trying to schedule time frames in the mix of a bunch of other activities. The activity of this conference is to get together and accomplish very specific goals together.
I'd say having the dedicated focus on the 40-minute meetings, super helpful, highly efficient. Having the right attendees is very important. And it really only spans a day and a half, so it's not a major time commitment on our part to come in. So certainly a unique format, but highly efficient, and lots of good follow-up that we'll certainly take some time to do over the next couple of days.
We did find it quite useful for us, and we do plan on being repeat customers.
I've already signed up for the next Healthcare Assembly and really looking forward to it.
This is certainly something that we'll look to fit into our schedules. I think October is the next one, so we're planning on it.
I've already signed up for the next Healthcare Assembly.